Welcome! In this video, we'll discuss 3 ways to customize queries in Caseware PBC Requests. To start, access the firm template by navigating to Settings. Select PBC Requests, then select Manage Template. If you have an existing draft, select Open Draft. Otherwise, select Create Draft to start a new draft template. If you're not familiar with these terms, watch our first video in the series, Understanding Firm Authoring. In the template, you have 3 options to create a custom query. Option 1 is to customize queries provided out of the box. In the Documents page, PBC request templates are tailored for each engagement type and readily available to use. You can hide any of these templates if they're not needed. In this case, we can make the audit query template the only one that's visible to the engagement. You can review its contents and include additional questions or inquiries that your firm typically requests from clients, or suppress items that aren't relevant to your engagements. For example, if your firm does not use external audit specialists, suppress this section and it won't be included in the engagement. Option 2 is to create a query template from scratch. Select Add, Query Template, give it a name and number, and select Save to open the new blank document to start adding content. The third option is to create a query document instead of a template. A document is much smaller in scope and can be used for specific tasks that your firm has standardized. For example, if the firm performs an inventory count, you can create an inventory query document to include a set of inventory procedures and questions. Note that staff members can also create a custom query document in the engagement if they need to. Select Add, Query, enter its name and number, then select Create Query to create a blank query document and add your custom content. If you've decided to use option 2 or 3, you're now set to start adding your content. Watch our next video to learn how to add a query question to the template or document. Thanks for watching.